Hey guys, welcome back. How are you? I hope you are doing well. I am doing another introduction into a project. This is called Try Again. It was created by Tara over at Reads Beauty Tripp. Try Again is a year-long project, and it is where we are working on our trios in our collection. And the goal is to hit pan or reach your goal on as many trios in your collection as possible. It is a rolling project, so once you hit pan or reach your goal, then you roll in a new trio or a new pan within a trio, however you want to do it. When Tara asked if I wanted to do this, I was like, I don't think I have that many trios. Well, that's not true. I have quite a few trios. I have 28 in total, to be exact. And so that means I have 84 pans of product in trios. That's a lot if you really think about it. So I have put all of those 84 pans into my Randy Dandy randomizer. Holy smokes. Since I put my list into the Randy Dandy Handy Dandy randomizer, we are going to pick 3 items to work on, and depending on what those items are, my goal may be to hit pan, but my goal also might be to use it so many times. Like, say if it's a highlighter or a blush, maybe a bronzer, I may decide to use up so many grams of the product or wear away any type of marks on the product, just so I can get use on as many of my trios as possible throughout the year. So let's hit randomize. So we have our first one. It is my Cargo HD Illuminating Palette. Let's randomize again and see what else we get. That is one I really did not want, but it's what we got. All right. This is my second highlighter. I pulled Laura Geller's Life Glows On trio, and I will tell you what the actual one is once I pull them out. Whoops. And our last one, this isn't a highlighter, thank goodness. I pulled my Smashbox Holy Crop eyeshadow trio. So let me go pull those, and I will be right back to show you what I will be working on. All right, we have them. This is not going to be easy. All right, I have pulled them, and this is so not going to be easy, not in any way, shape, or form. This is how I'm starting off this project. The first one I am not excited about, but I will do it. I had this in my A to Z project pan last year, and my goal was to hit pan on it, and then it was done. I was going to declutter it. I haven't, and guess what? It's in this project. I pulled Bright. Is that what it is? No, that's Beam. Bright, Beam, and Bronze. So this is Bright right here. It is somewhat like a bronzy shimmer. So I tried it as a highlighter. It doesn't work as a highlighter for me. It really doesn't work as a bronzer either. But my goal is to finish this. I hit pan on it, so I just want to finish up this product. We will see how it goes. I may change my mind. It's highly possible, but for now my goal is to finish Bright. The next one I pulled was my Laura Geller Life Glows On palette. Interestingly enough, this was a gift from Tara, so I am excited that this was pulled for this project. What I pulled is Diamond Dust, which is this highlighter right here. I actually have a jumbo size of this highlighter. It is very bright on me, like really bright on me. So can you guys see the pattern on here? I will never be able to hit pan on this. I can guarantee you that. So my goal is to wear away the pattern, not the whole on the whole pan, but is wherever I can wear it away, because I don't know, does it have that pattern all the way through? If it does, then I will be hitting pan, but my goal is to wear this off wherever I wear it off. This one's going to be hard for me just because even though I love the color, I just I don't know where to wear it. I think I can do that. It might take me a few months, but I will be able to do that. And then the last one was my Smashbox Holy Crop eyeshadow palette. And the shade I pulled is Miss Chili. And to be honest with you, it looks like Miss Chili is this dark brown, but the name Miss Chili makes me think it's this burnt orange up here. But since it's showing that it's the bottom one, it's this dark brown. Yes, the same shade as some of the other eyeshadows I'm trying to hit pan on. So this is tough, guys. This is going to be a tough project. My goal is to hit pan on this. We'll see how it goes. But this, you know, it's somewhat soft, so hopefully I can do that. It's nicely pigmented. That's pretty. So those are the 3 items I will be working on my Try Again Project Pan. If you would like to do this with us, we would love to have you. Just leave a comment down below or on Tara's channel, and we can get you onto the master list. I am thankful to Tara for inviting me to do this. I don't know if she has invited others. If she has, I will put all of their links down below with Tara's as well. So yes, we would love to have you if you would like to do this and just get some use on your trios in your collection. I know that I was dumbfounded by how many trios I have. So we're going to be working on them, and it's going to be fun, guys. It's going to be a lot of fun. So that's it. Please take good care. Be safe, be smart, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.